Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Trending Reviews. So this is the FlexiSpot S6G monitor and stand workstation. It's an all-in-one solution to help you organize your desks. If you've got a lot of mess and a lot of stationery all over the place, then this will organize that perfectly for you. The good thing I like about this is that it's got an inbuilt UV disinfectant ray in there as well. So you'll be able to clean your keyboard and disinfect it by up to 99% of germs and bacteria. I'll showcase that in a second. So let's go ahead, unbox this and set it up, give you an overall review of how it is and ultimately how it looks on your desk. So let's get straight into it. Okay, let's go ahead. So immediately at the top you have yourself the instruction manual and some health guide and healthy tips for your neck on how you can position it, what is the best posture and seating position. So there's a couple of things there to get you up and running. Let's take this out. So everything is pre-built. There's no assembly that's required other than the feet on this. So I'll just pull the actual workstation out. There's nothing else in the box, so I can now put that down to the side. Okay, let's take it out. There you have it. It's very compact. It's got fabric sides there where you can buy separate accessories to stick on the sides, maybe to hold your stationery, your pens and pencils for your additional compartments. Now you have a USB port there that's attached to this, because you can actually plug this in, and underneath this is where you'll get the disinfectant light for your keyboards. So it's really convenient, because then you can also additionally use the USB port on the side there to charge your phone. Now you also have a convenient pull-out tray here with multiple sections inside, as you can see. Now there's a box in here which is the legs, which I'll set up in a second. So plenty of space, put some notepads, sticky notes, whatever you like, pens, pencils, utensils. And then you also have a magnetic section here where you can actually stick some other notes and use the magnetic pins that come in the accessories box, or just use it to put your phone and other things there. And let's go ahead and attach the legs now. The 4 legs that come with this, you'll attach that there, and then you actually get 4 magnetic pins as well to attach to the magnetic whiteboard here, which is just there on the front. So let me go ahead and attach these legs. And that's about it. You literally just push it in, it's all there. So as you can see here, these are the disinfectant lights that will come on when you turn on the UV rays. Now this is only allowed to be on for 10 minutes. It will automatically turn off. If for any reason this workstation tips over or falls off the desk, then the light will automatically turn off. So it has to be stationary for it to work. And the light will face outwards here. So your keyboard will need to be positioned just underneath there, pushed in slightly to disinfect all of the bacteria and germs from there. Now let me go ahead and just put these magnetic clips onto this here. There we go. These are pretty strong magnets actually. Plenty of space to move stuff around. You can even hang stuff, put some business cards on there or whatever you like. Any useful information, just stick it on there and you're ready to go. Right, so let me go ahead, plug this into the power outlet, and I will show you how to turn on the UV disinfectant light as well and get everything set up. Okay guys, I now have this plugged in. So to turn on the UV disinfectant light, there's a button just here on the side. It's a silver button. Now if you just press this, you'll get a confirmation light and it will be ready to go. This will automatically be working for about 10 minutes. So as you can see, there's a light there, and just underneath the light will come on. It will be slightly purple. So I have a keyboard here. Literally you just push the keyboard underneath and leave it there for about 10 minutes. It will disinfect it and all of the germs and bacteria from there will disappear. So I can't really show you the light because it automatically turns off, but if I quickly just lift it, you'll see there's a light there and it turned off. So that is a disinfectant light. If you did lift it up, it's automatically turned off and you just press the button again to turn it on as such. So that's very easy to do. I would suggest doing this when you're finished doing all of your work and you're just leaving your desk. And now the other thing is I'm ready to test the USB port on the side as well. So you can use this like a charging bank, plug that on the side. There we go, it's now charging and you just leave it there. Another great space saving idea and perfectly to get all of your equipment all in one place. So it's very easy to set up, very easy to use. I just really like the additional space in here to put all of your different equipment, stationery, anything you like, your notepads. If you check out the FlexiSpot website, you can buy some additional accessories that stick to the sides here, and you can put more stationery, have more space if you like. So I'll leave a link in the description below where you can buy that. It's pretty lightweight, to be honest, and this is actually 20.5 inches wide, and from the leg on the actual desk up until the height is about 7 inches. So it's not the tiniest, but it does the perfect amount of job. Obviously, you should have a large enough space for the workstation to be there in a perfect distance, and then have your keyboard and mouse at the perfect distance for your wrists and your hands as well. So this desk I have is a little bit small for that, but just to show you how this all looks and how to set it up. And once you're ready, get your laptop, mount it on there, and then you're pretty much ready to go. So that's everything you've got set up. So that covers pretty much all of the different things that this workstation can do. This is a really cool design. I really like it. It's very ergonomic. Check out FlexiSpot.com. They have a lot of different office and business accessories for desks, for stand-up desks even, and other workstations. So pretty cool stuff and at a great price. This also comes in 2 colors. It comes in gray and light tan, which you can also find on their website. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the setup. Okay guys, so hopefully you found that useful. For me, this is such a great little workstation. I'm going to use it for wherever I use my desk and set up for my home working. I usually have a lot of mess all over my desk. I've got a lot of utensils, I've got a lot of stationery, I've got an iPad on the side. And if you're someone like me that has a little bit of OCD with cleanliness and a lot of mess everywhere, then this is the perfect thing for you as well. And if you just want to be super organized, keep everything in one place, and even once you're finished by the end of the day, you can move this workstation, put everything inside there, put it to the side and bring it back the next day, put it back onto your desk, and you're up and running straight away. So for me, it's perfect. So this comes in at $129.99, and it's not the cheapest workstation you can buy. This one is definitely, I think, it gives you the benefit of keeping your keyboards very clean as well with the UV disinfectant lights. So for me, it's actually definitely worth the price, and I would recommend anyone that really needs to be organized when you're doing remote working to actually take a look at this. I'll have a link in the description below where you can buy this, and if you use this code TRENDING, you'll get 15% off, get a massive saving, and you're up and running and ready to go. Very fast delivery, it will come in a couple of days. And if there's any other questions you want to know about this specific device and workstation, then do let me know. Otherwise, it's so convenient. I really like the design. It just suits any type of laptop or monitor that you have. It will fit perfectly for that. It can take a lot of weight as well, so there's no worries in whatever monitor that you have. And if there's anything else you'd like to know about it, then let me know. Otherwise, I hope you subscribe, and I will catch you guys at the next one. Take care.